Ugh, it smells so strong. All you smell is the liquor.
I'm sorry, I feel no attraction and none of this benefit. 'Cause I've been so long, so long. Hey. 'Cause I've been so long for so long. Hey. 'Cause I've been so long for so long. Hey. 'Cause I've been so long for so long. Hey. 'Cause I've been sorry, forgive me, 'cause you know that I'm always sinning. I take no one, just party in my like a fucking nemesis. Excuse my language.
Today is Wacky Tacky Tuesday.
I'm embarrassed.
Please, can I? Let me see, open your thing. Can't even see your shorts that you got under. Pull your shorts that you got under down. And she have on these. Just pull them down, not your other shorts. Hey guys, I got this package that I'm so excited about. I was waiting for this. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Show you guys what I got. If you are a real subscriber, you've seen in the past, you've seen me like decorating my planner for the month. And I had that planner for like 2 years. It's like a 2-year planner that I got from like the pharmacy. And I've been dying to get my hands on one of these planners. I like stalk their Instagram and everybody who's into this Instagram pages. And they had like a sale. Oh, they give me some stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And it was like National Planner Day one day last week, so it was buy one get one free. So I got 2 planners, and of course I don't need 2 planners, so I am going to do a giveaway. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, but I don't know, maybe at the end of this video I will leave the giveaway instructions at the end of the video. So if you guys want to join, you can join and maybe win one of the planners. I'm going to go through them and see which one I want, and then whatever one I don't want, I will give to one of you guys. I'll ship it to you wherever you are, because you know I want to do something for my loyal subscribers. So let's see what I got. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I got a happy planner. Like I be like into the weirdest things. I be like into watching people decorate their planner spreads. I be into scrapbooking and I don't know. But yeah, I've been like going crazy watching them like design their planners and stuff. People take this really serious. This is a 12-month spread. This one starts from August 2021 until July 2022. So I can get started on this planner now. I didn't design my planner for August because I knew that this one was coming in the mail. So let me just look and see. Pretty much the same layouts. It's just that, you know, each tab has different designs on them. This one says, I am the creative of my own happy life. I like that quote on the front of that one. So I don't know which one I'll take. They're both the same size. Let's have a look and pick out one. And I'll give one to one of you guys. We all need to plan and keep our life organized, especially if you're mom and you're working and you're doing this and you do that. We get busy and overwhelmed sometimes and forget about things that we have to do. I know I do. So I'll be needing to like actually write things down to remember what I have to do. So I got a few other things along with it. I'm going to show you guys really quickly. I got a calendar extension. This one is undated budget edition. So this one will help me as far as with bills and what I have to pay and what bills is coming up and a date. So I don't miss the due date, which I always do. So this one was perfect for me. And I have me some new sticker books. I really have sticker books. Hold on, you guys, video too long. Okay. And then I just got me 2 new sticker books. I'm so close, sorry. And I got my eyelashes done, if you guys can tell. I went to Slay by M on Instagram. I'll leave it down below, you can check her out. I already have some happy planner books, but I just got these 2 new ones. Because my planner that I have is not really made for the happy sticker, so it doesn't really be looking the way it's supposed to. So I'm glad that I got the happy planner now, so I can use the stickers for the book that it's used for. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I will have all the information listed at the end of the video. Just stay to the end and I'll let you guys know how you can win one of the planners that I have. Because like I said, I don't need 2 planners. I definitely want to give to one of you guys who've been supporting me by watching my videos and helping my channel grow. I still have a lot to go, but I appreciate you guys for tuning in. So I want to give you guys one of my planners. My eyelashes look crazy. Hey guys, happy Friday. I have a busy day and my lashes look crazy. Lashes doesn't really last on me. I pick at them so much and by a week they like a mess. But anywho, it's Friday. I have a very busy day, so I am taking you guys along. It's like 11 in the morning. I'm about to go to BJ's because on Sunday we are celebrating Zaya's birthday, so I need to go and get the items for that. I need to get to the nail salon because I need to fill in to go find Zaya's outfit, and then I'm going to a barbecue later on today. So I'm gonna bring you guys along so I can get some footage for today because I didn't have enough footage to post on Thursday, so hopefully I get a video for Sunday. And of course Sunday I'm recording Zaya's 13th birthday celebration, so that'll be a video again for next week. So I'm about to go to BJ's, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Can you guys see me? It's like a bad view. I'm like switching out my bag really quickly. I was carrying this little small bag yesterday, but I need a bigger bag today because I'm gonna be shopping. It's falling. I'm gonna be shopping and doing a whole bunch of other things, so I'm gonna pack my bag really quickly. Okay, so I have Zaya's picture because I'm gonna be putting in an order for a cake, and to put his picture on the cake, I got my wallets. We made it to BJ's. Sit down. Wait, dirty. Let me clean it. Say hi.
Hi.
We're going to BJ's. Ooh, that looks good. Carrot cake. Ooh.
What's this?
I don't know if I want to get 1/4 sheet or a half sheet. I think I'm going to go with this size. A half sheet of cake. Yeah. Let's go. Leave it. Ooh. Hello. Quick question. I still have time to drop off a picture for a cake for Sunday.
We're not taking any orders until Monday, please.
So I can't order like one of these. You said you're not taking orders until Monday.
But for this weekend, we're not taking any orders.
Really? If I go to the other one, you think they probably will be able to do it?
The thing is, we only have one decorator. And he's already overbooked.
And as far as just coming on Sunday and getting a regular cake, they can write happy birthday on it.
If you come on Sunday, you can get a regular cake, and yeah.
Okay, I'll have to figure it out. Alright, thank you.
No problem. Bye, Mom.
That's annoying. Let's call mommy and see what we should do. I don't know. All done. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So whatever I didn't get from here, I'm gonna get from my regular supermarket. But I got the candy. I couldn't order the cake, as I heard the lady. I got the chips. I got the chopped meat, cheese, everything that I need. And I'll get the rest from the supermarket. I'll see you guys. Oh, look at it. So, I just got in the house, doing 1,000,001 things. Soraya is aggravating me. I have to make jello shots. I totally forgot about the jello shots for Madrid's party later, barbecue. It is 1:45, so I need to hurry up and make them now so that they can be ready in time when it's time to leave. So I'm about to do that. What happened? Huh? But they still saying you can't pick up the 5:45?
No, I just told.
Okay, I'm about to show you guys how I make jello shots. Obviously, I do a good job because Madrid's always want me to make them. So I'm about to show you guys really quickly my ingredients. First, let me boil some water. All right, so I have my mixing bowl. I'm using the strawberry jello. I'm using Casamigos. I already like poured half, whatever I had left, which is a perfect measurement. This is a mixing bowl. I'm gonna boil the water, pour that, and I'm gonna get started. And I have these jello shots with the lid, so I'm gonna use those. So you're gonna put gummy bears and the sour worms inside of the cup as well, so they can have a little candy at the end of their shot. So when you know once candy soaked inside liquor is so strong. This is my kitchen. Everything is a mess in here. The whole house is a mess. And I don't even feel like cleaning up. I don't gotta go downtown to get Zaya's outfit. Zaraya is actually gonna do that for me. So after I make, oh my god, after I make these jello shots, I'm pretty much done for the day. I just gotta like re-shower and get ready for later for the barbecue. So I'm gonna just chill pretty much for the rest of the day. I did my supermarket run for Sunday for Zaya's birthday thing. And I think that's pretty much about it. So yeah, I'm gonna make these jello shots. I got stuff everywhere. Oh wait, I need to go to the nail salon. I forgot about that. I need to go get my nails done. I just broke one of my nails, so it hurts. It's really bad. So I don't know how that's gonna work. I should go now. After I make these jello shots, I'm actually gonna walk to the nail salon while Cavalli's in his stroller napping so he can sleep while I get my nails done. And not jogging me up a wall. I just got some little party bags. I make candy bags for Sunday. And I have the number 13. Because Zaya is about to be a teenager. I can't believe it's been 13 years already. That's crazy. I remember being in the hospital giving birth. So young. So long ago. I have these extra jello shot, extra shot glasses. I don't know if they probably have some over there. I don't know, she need to bring them or not. Take some shots, shot o'clock. I love shot o'clock now. I don't know why, but shot o'clock is so funny to me. There you go. So water's pretty much boiling, and I'm just running my mouth. So I'll be back once I start making the jello. How to get it into the bowl. I'm gonna pour it back into the measuring cup. Ugh, it smells so strong. What you smell is the liquor. Ugh. 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 And there you have it, jello shots. We're heading out to the barbecue. I went and got my nails done earlier.
I was supposed to get my nails done.
I'm going to the barbecue already. Got Sonny and Lila.
Liler. Who's Liler?
Lila.
You said Liler.
Lila. Y'all know what I'm saying. Oh, let me get the thing. I'll see you when we get to the barbecue. It's too late.
You can keep that one on you though. Yeah.
You don't have no spout.
It's not about it.
I know, because it's too big.
Yeah. And then half skinny and half pound.
Shot o'clock?
Shot o'clock.
You doing half and half?
Yeah, half and half.
The bottle's too big.
How are you?
So we have
They can't hear you. They can't hear you.
We have Casamigos and Henny.
Be careful when you stop for real.
Henny or cars. How y'all like it?
No. Let's go.
You wait for that one.
Let me see what you have. That baby shot.
I got 2 drinks.
That's both of them yours? Yeah. Uh-oh. Kiki in the building.
That's your vlog?
Yes.
Still in and out of the pandemic, but we thank you guys for being here. So, with my uncle. It's a hat for me. Yeah. Happy birthday to my uncle. We went through a rough little 2 years, right? You came through it, right? We ain't know if you was gonna come through it, but you came through. You pulled, but we made it, right? We here. I love you. There's no cap on the love I have for you. Keep it pushing. You move more than I move, and I'm what, 25? So, I love you. Keep doing your thing. You here for everybody. You play a father figure for everybody. I don't have that, but you do that. And I love you. So, I made sure everybody had a little, I pulled all these singly, so we're gonna pull these up. And we're gonna make a toast, but wait for my snap. Oh, first? But she don't want to. What you gotta do? Let's go, Auntie.
Hey guys, happy Saturday. It's hot, so we're gonna head to the beach. Last minute plans, but we're going to the beach to enjoy the sun. Day before Zaya's party at Area 53, so we're starting a weekend early. And Zaire, got Cavalli. I need to run to the store and get some sandwiches. It is so hot out. Can't wait to get to the beach. I haven't been to the beach all summer. I've been dying to get to the beach, so I'm finally going, so I'm excited. Hopefully I can get this vlog up for tomorrow, which will be today for you guys, Sunday. I'll see you guys in a minute. We're about to head out.
The money is in.
No, we gotta go to the store.
The money's in his bag. Don't say a lot. That sand. You see that sand? Why is that?
Come on, y'all, walk. Y'all come right in front of the stroller. It's hot.
Why do I feel like again?
Well, y'all gonna have to hold it because I gotta get through the
Major.
Say cheese. Nancy, look at mama.
Oh my gosh. I thought I'm like, oh, that look like I'm gonna highlight.
Burn properly.
Oh, look.
Hi, Riley. You don't want to say hi?
Look, now you got a dolphin.
Oh, with that bus ride? That bus they had was cute. That bus was cute. The bus was nice. It was a fancy bus. Yeah. The bus
Maria
ride.
didn't want a bus ride today.
Like went to the
They went to water park. Yeah.
So you're not gonna go back to the water, Riley?
Got mad here and
You going to the water?
The decision chose an easy one. Say you follow when your heart, but girl, you leaving one. Wanted me.
All the sandwiches got mayonnaise on it.
Extra sister, she want them. Yep.
And Caesar be warned. Caesar still ain't got nothing on my ass.
Oh. Here, Papa. Garbage. The garbage is right there. Guys, rain. The rain stop, come, rain. I mean, I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's keep raining and stopping. But we're about to leave. Beach day is over. Another fun day tomorrow. Gonna be tired tomorrow. A workout. What you was trying to say, right?
Mama!
What? So,
Why you so loud?
oh.
You know I was recording. Hi, oh, it's starting to come down again. It's raining. Okay, bye-bye. She dropped hers?
Yes.
Probably another one in the bag. What happened, Papa? Oh, Cavalli still. Cavalli want one too.
But now you dropped it.
Where's she at?